Today, during our lesson, we talked about the Lord's Supper. So we decided that, I think for the first time, during the Lord's Supper, the children will be with us, so they can see what actually is going to happen. And to understand what the Lord's Supper means, we went a long time in the past. And we have seen that all people did something very wrong when they disobeyed God. And Zara, what does someone deserve when he does something wrong? Good. And Celine, what do people receive as a punishment from God?
To die.
They started to die. But there was someone who loved us very much, and he didn't want that all humans die and go to hell. And he took the punishment instead of us. Who was this? Mari, who was him? Jesus. Good, he was Jesus. So, and Betty, when did Jesus took the punishment instead of us? Where?
On the cross.
Good. On the cross, Jesus received the punishment. And Albertine, how did Jesus wanted us to remember this punishment he took instead of us?
The Lord's Supper.
Good. In the Lord's Supper that we're going to do now. And what do we eat and drink, John, in the Lord's Supper?
Bread and wine.
Bread and wine. So that we remember the body and blood of Jesus. So we have seen that we'll do this to be thankful, to show Jesus that we really appreciate what he has done for us. Ekk nġabru kollha kemm aħna ħalli flimkien issa hekk u nagħtu anke eżempju l daw it-tfal ċkejknin nruhom b'ġabra kemm aħna napprezzaw dak li Ġesu għamel magħna li tana ċans li aħna nistgħu mmorru l-ġenna grazzi għas-sagrifiċċju li għamel meta ħal kastik minn flokna. Amen.